In this video, you will learn pointers in C and how to make use of C pointers with help of hands-on example. Let's understand what is a C pointer. A pointer in C is a variable that represents the location of a data item. In layman's language, C pointer points to a data item. Let's take an example of variable declaration and value assignment. Int count equals to 10 followed by semicolon. Here, when I am declaring a variable count and assigning value 10 to it, I am actually naming the memory location at which the value 10 will be stored. In other words, I have named the memory location as count and value 10 will be stored at memory location named count. Instead of accessing the value 10 by its address, I can simply use the name count and access the value. I can display the address of this memory location using ampersand sign as follows. Printf in round brackets %u, which is a format specifier for address location, comma, ampersand count, ending the statement with semicolon. Ampersand count returns address of the variable named count, that is, address at which value 10 is stored. I will compile and run the code. If you see here, this printf displayed address of count, that is, address of the location where value 10 is stored. Now, if I want to read the content at this address, I can make use of asterisk operator as follows. Printf within double quotes %d, since I want to display integer value, comma, asterisk within round bracket ampersand count, ending the statement with semicolon. This is read as content at address of count. This ampersand count will return address of count and asterisk will then return content at this address. I am adding \n just to make sure printf statement displays the output on the next line. This program should print value 10. I will compile and run the code. If you see here, this printf displayed value 10 on the output screen. If you are getting value out of this video, can you click like button? If you have any questions, do let me know in comment section below. It is possible to store the address in a variable as follows. I'll go to next line and type address equals to ampersand count, ending the statement with semicolon. Here, variable address is now holding address of count, that is, variable address is pointing to location of count. Hence, address is called a pointer. Any new variable in C needs to be declared before using it. Hence, I will have to declare this pointer variable named address. Here is the syntax to declare a pointer variable in C. Data type space asterisk followed by pointer name. If this video is helping you, can you support me by clicking on like and subscribe button? I will now go to the start of the code and type int asterisk address, ending the statement with semicolon. Here, I am declaring a pointer variable named address capable of pointing to an int variable. I am then storing address of variable in pointer variable address as shown on the screen. Note that pointer variable will always store an address. If I want to display content of count using pointer variable, I can make use of asterisk operator as follows. I'll go to next line and type printf within double quotes %d, comma, asterisk address, ending the statement with semicolon. This printf will print content at pointer variable address. In other words, this printf statement will print content at the location where address is pointing to. We know that pointer variable address is pointing to count. Hence, this printf will display value 10. I will compile and run the code. If you see here, printf displayed value 10 on the output screen.